Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we're back testing the ALUMIDUTY trucks made from 2017 to 2019. The last time you guys saw one of these trucks, it was on the Dyno equipped with our F1 HP package. Check out that link here or jump in the description below. Now guys, we're talking about high performance diesels. What's our next step? The F2 HP package. What is the main difference? It's this. Your truck comes equipped with plastic parts and rubber hoses. Let me show you one. This is your cold side intercooler pipe. We can't make power with that. So guys, what do? We took all that off and we installed all new stainless steel piping. Pusher Intakes has a full kit that we installed on this truck. It consists of a new cold air intake, hot side intercooler pipe, and a cold side intercooler pipe. So what's the biggest benefit of adding a piping kit to your factory turbocharger? Well, just like the truck behind us, it's equipped with the OEM turbocharger. We've got to get as much air into it as possible. That's what our F2 HP package is all about. So we've hyped up our F2 HP package. I've got a nitrous bottle on standby just in case we don't deliver to you guys. But all in all this, we're going to the dyno. I want to see the results. You guys want to see the results? It's dyno time. Today's sponsorship.
700 bust!
Where's that nitrous bottle?
Tires were stuck that time.
581! We gotta call it. On 37s.
That's where it's killing us right there.
We got 30.
We got freaking 30. Yeah, no, we ain't gonna get 600 on this thing. Got 37s on it. Put 33s back on it, it'd be 650.
Put it in park. Okay, we're calling it. So we just came off the Mustang dyno. The truck behind me is equipped with our F2 HP package. Guys, what did it make today? 581 rural horsepower. Are we after that 600 mark? Yes, we are. Can we hit it? Yes, we can. Let's talk about today's run. Our boost pressure was up around 34 pounds. We had tons of air. Was the truck very smoky? No, it wasn't. So we got a couple things to play with. The truck was on 37-inch tall tires. These are just facts. 37-inch tall tires. We could add a little bit more fuel. We knew we had air there to play with, but guys, it did 581. We're gonna stop there, play on the conservative side. That's the fun part about this. We get to move forward each week. So the next PowerStroke we get, that's getting our F2 HP package, we're gonna do these two things. We're gonna find some stock wheels and tires, put them on, see if that makes a difference. We're gonna add a little bit more fuel because we have a lot more air. Then the next thing is, with that factory air box, just for shits and giggles, I want to pull it off there, and I want to see if we can make a little bit more power. Our intake temps today were around 64 degrees. That was super cool. They were awesome. So guys, moving forward, Ford PowerStroke owners, Chevrolet Duramax, and the Dodge Cummins guys, you're going to want to subscribe to the channel, and here's why. We've got an F3 HP package dropping this month. You've seen us unbox that S400 kit that's going on an L5P Duramax, but most importantly is this. I've got a C5 HP package that's going on my truck, and a client is doing a C5 HP package. That is 1,500 rural horsepower. No games, no gimmicks. It's gotta hit 1,500 rural horsepower. That's what we're going after. Guys, make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll see you back here at Point Blank Performance.